What is the difference between kinetic and potential energy? Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the difference between kinetic and potential energy. Energy is all around us, and understanding these two types of energy can help us better understand how the world works. So, let's get started. First, let's talk about what energy is. Energy is the ability to do work. It's the force that makes things happen. Energy can be found in many different forms, such as heat, light, sound, and motion. But regardless of the form it takes, energy is always present when work is being done. Now, let's define kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is the energy of motion. It's the energy that an object possesses due to its motion. The faster an object is moving, the more kinetic energy it has. This is because kinetic energy is directly proportional to the object's mass and the square of its velocity. So, a heavier object moving at the same speed as a lighter object will have more kinetic energy. So, what are some examples of kinetic energy? Well, there are many. For example, a ball rolling down a hill, a car driving on the highway, and a person running are all examples of kinetic energy. In each of these cases, the object is moving, and therefore has kinetic energy. Now, let's move on to potential energy. Potential energy is the energy that an object possesses due to its position or state. In other words, it's the energy that an object has stored up, waiting to be released. Potential energy is based on an object's height, mass, and gravitational acceleration. So, what are some examples of potential energy? Well, a ball sitting on top of a hill has potential energy, because it has the potential to roll down the hill and gain kinetic energy. A stretched bowstring has potential energy, because it has the potential to snap back and launch an arrow forward. And a roller coaster at the top of a hill has potential energy, because it has the potential to gain speed and kinetic energy as it goes down the hill. Now, let's talk about the relationship between kinetic and potential energy. As we've already established, kinetic energy is the energy of motion, while potential energy is the energy of position or state. The two are related, however, because potential energy can be converted into kinetic energy, and vice versa. For example, when a ball rolls down a hill, it's converting its potential energy into kinetic energy. And when a roller coaster goes up a hill, it's gaining potential energy that will later be converted into kinetic energy. So, there you have it, the difference between kinetic and potential energy. Remember, kinetic energy is the energy of motion, while potential energy is the energy of position or state. Both types of energy are present all around us, and they can be converted from one form to another. Understanding these two types of energy can help us better understand the world we live in. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. See you next time on the Curiosity Lab.